Suppose this graph is given and according to Prism algo, we need to find out which sequence is correct. So what is Prim's algo? We need to start from the minimum. We need to start from minimum and we need to find out the adjacent with minimum weight. And we need to cover all the vertex. So we need to remove one by one. So first we see from here 1, 3. This is minimum. So it is common in all the answers. So all are correct till now. After that, which one is minimum? In adjacent, we can say 3, 6 or 3, 2, both. And so we can see this one and this one, both are okay. 2, 5, if we see 2, 5, no, because it is not adjacent. So simply we can say this adjacent, fail, doesn't work. In the similar way, 6, 4, if we see, this is also not. After 1, 3, this is not adjacent. Although it is minimum, but it is not adjacent. So this is also fail, doesn't work here, because in Prim's algo, what we supposed to see? The minimum weight, and it should be adjacent next. Then only we can remove from here. So these both are not working, so we need to focus in these two. 1, 3, 3, 6, 1, 3, 3, 6, and 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2. But here we can see both are adjacent, but this one is what? 3, 2. 3, 2 is having 6 weight, while 3, 6 is having 5 weight. So we can say this is adjacent, but minimum weight think fail. So this is also not an answer of this. In that way we can eliminate the answers. Now we'll see here, this is all correct or not, because it should cover all the vertex with minimum weight. So 1, 3 is okay, then 3, 6 with minimum 5 weight. So we will make it here. So first 1, 3 with 2 weight, and after that 3, 6, 3, 6, 5, 8. The next one is adjacent is what? Next adjacent is minimum weight 3. So 6, 4, 6, 4. So till now it is correct. Now 3, 2. Now 3, 2. So 3, 2 with minimum weight 6, because rest are 7, 7, 6. And if we make it like this, so it will be a cycle, so we cannot take this. And if we take like this is also make a cycle, so we cannot take this. So 3, 2 is correct. So we'll take 3, 2 with 6 weight. Now till now it is correct. Now 2, 5. 2, 5 with weight 4. 2, 5 with weight 4. So now we can see all the vertex are covered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all are with minimum weight. So we can see, or we can say, this is the correct one answer. This is the correct one answer. So if we add them, so what we will get? If we add them, then what we will get? 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So cost will be 20. Cost will be 20. So in that way, if the question is given and the answers we need to find out, so we can eliminate the answers.